In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, just open Calendar app. Then click on the date that you wish to set up. Now, in order to create your event, select this button with a plus at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust your event however you wish to. For example, add a title and change its color. After that, you can pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need this feature, you can also disable it by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on location and tap on map. Over here, select one of those options, in my case while using the app. Tap on the search bar and type in your address that you wish to set up. Then click on the correct result and choose Done at the bottom right corner. Now you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Tap on Don't Repeat and click on one of those options if you wish your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just tap on Don't Repeat again. Go back, take some notes, add invites, and even choose Busy and tap on one of those options. In my case, free. Now tap on Save to save your event, and as you can see after that, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on it again, and select Edit at the bottom. Now make your changes and save them by choosing Save one more time. If you wish to get rid of your event completely though, you need to go back, click on it one more time, choose Delete at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!